Hello my lovely people, it's your able girl the Ototayo wey dey bring una ogbonge news all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbase mona gather your man yarn una the tori as e dey hot. Today we wan talk about how the Nigeria president wey dem dey call Muhammadu Buhari take tweet something for Twitter on Tuesday wey be on the 1st of June 2021. And Twitter come talk say wetin the Nigeria president tweet e cross their rule because President Buhari tweet say his government go get harder for those people wey bent on destroying the country. President Buhari come talk say those people wey want to destroy his government, they go receive the shock of their life, because the administration go do everything possible to make sure say they fail. The president come talk say the sponsor and the people wey dey plan the insecurity in the country, they dey do am because they want his administration to fall. So guys, before we go further, let me read it so that you will understand very well wetin he tweet. I received daily security reports on the attack on critical national infrastructure, and it is very clear that those behind them want this administration to fall. Whoever wants the destruction of the system will soon have the shock of their life. We have given them enough time. Infrastructure na it could be the problem of the country, not be the people life wey they lost every day. E no end there, just dey lis ten. I received a briefing today from the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) on the series of attacks on their facility nationwide. These attacks are totally unacceptable, and we will not allow those behind them to achieve their evil objectives. You see wetin dey pay Mr. President? Facilities, things na it dey important, no be the life of the people wey dem dey even dey take. When I see this tweet, I was shockitalized, my people. E dey very surprising. E no end there o, dey lis ten. In the area of security, we have changed the service chiefs and the inspector general, and we are demanding that they rise fully to the challenging confronting us. There must be zero tolerance for all those bent on destroying our country by promoting crime and insurrection. Many of those misbehaving today are too young to be aware of the destruction and loss of lives that occurred during the Nigeria Civil War. Those of us in the field for 30 months, we went through the war. We will treat them in the language they understand. So you see, a president of a country, see wetin he dey talk. Shebi all of una dey cry say make he come outside come talk. Now he don come out come talk. Imagine the Nigeria Civil War when e take a lot of lives. Now dem wan come do wetin, repeat again. Imagine the number one man, the oga patapata, wetin him dey talk. So the Afenifere leader wey dem dey call Chief Ayo Adebanjo don come outside come talk concerning the tweet when the Nigeria president tweet. He don still bring him own shock how you see the tweet about the president wey wan teach young ones the lesson when he learn during the nation civil war. He come talk say this thing e dey very unfortunate, say a president of a democratic country go fit come out make this statement. He dey very sad when he hear the thing, but he no dey surprised. The people when he vote for am for 2015 need to be amazed. He come talk say the time when dem dey vote am in, he warn dem. He tell dem say this person, e get wetin dey train am for, e no go get respect for the rules, so dem say no, dem go vote am in. Now dem need to come outside to dey amazed of wetin dey happen. Say the guy no dey the same page with una when e dey look for peace and unity for the country. E no dey with una. say how you go talk you wan teach your subject, the ones wey put you for power, the lesson wey you learn during war. The thing dey okay like that? So the spokesman wey dem dey call Abdulaziz Suleiman for the coalition of northern groups CNG don come outside come talk concerning the tweet of President Buhari. Say the president comment na about Igbo genocide. E dey very empty and very unpresidential. Say the comment show say the president Buhari don lost total control of the security in the country. Say since the strength of Nigerians from the southeast lies on their youth, say make the country allow them to have their wish of the sovereignty nation of Biafra when they dey ask for. Make dem let them go, since na that one go bring peace to the country. So Ayodele Fayose, the former governor of Ekiti State, don still come outside come talk about how e dey disappoint with the comment. Say a president wey no fit come outside come address im own people for time of crisis no fit be the one when e come outside dey tweet on the crisis. Him come talk say e believe say the President Buhari account no be him dey operate am. Say make dem hold Garba Shehu and Lai Mohammed and the rest responsible for this tweet, because now e dey obvious say the people wey dey use the president power, they no know where to stop and how to stop their own kolomenta. Say because now the Twitter and the rest, they no know say no be President Buhari dey handle the whole operation. He come and say their president fit dey operate Android phone, talk less of say e come outside come dey make genocide tweet. So the Minister of Information and Culture wey dem dey call Lai Mohammed don come outside on Tuesday when e be 2nd of June 2021 come talk concerning this tweet when Twitter delete from their social network. So he make this statement for State House reporters at the presidential villa in Abuja. Say why Twitter not delete all comments when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, when e dey talk for Twitter. Say Nigeria no go dey full because e be like say Twitter don dey do mago-mago.
The mission of Twitter in Nigeria is very, very suspect. As Twitter deleted the violent tweets that Nnamdi Kanu has been sending, has it? The same Twitter, during the NSAS program, that was funding NSAS protesters, was the first to withdraw, to close the account of former president of US, Trump. And you see, when people were burning police stations and killing policemen in Nigeria during NSAS, for Twitter, it was about the right to protest. But when a similar thing happened on the Capitol, it became insurrection. You see, we are not going to be fooled by anybody. We have a country to rule, and we'll do so to the best of our ability. Twitter's mission in Nigeria, citing those two examples, is very suspect. What is the agenda?
Say whether Twitter don delete Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tweet when e dey send, has he? Nothing we no go see for this life o. Imagine you dey compare Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to number one man when e dey rule nation. Number one man o. Wetin concern Mazi Nnamdi Kanu concerning the president of Nigeria? So if dem fit suspend the former president of US from Twitter, who again wey dem no go fit suspend? When make Lai Mohammed dey run come outside dey do press conference. then e dey compare Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Mr. President. Me say e no understand the expectation of the office of the president. So my people, even though say they don delete the tweet, the message don dey already pass. Make we dey very careful. So my people, make everybody do wetin, dey very careful. So my people, now I say ma do wetin, come let una know. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update news.